Hey Draw So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Bianca from Wednesday, so let's get started. To draw cute Bianca, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. And then I'm going to come right next to it, say about this wide, and draw another circle. So now that my circle's in, let's make them draw so cute eyes, and come back in here with two small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. So now that my eyes in, let's go back in. We're going to spruce them up a little bit. So on the edge right here, on the sides, let's just put in 2 lashes. It's just 2 curves right on the sides. There. Then let's go above her eye. So about right here, I'm just going to draw a soft arc for her brow. And just thicken it up a little bit. And same thing on the other side. Right here. Soft arc and thicken it up. There. So now that I have a brow in, let's give her a sweet smile. So about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a soft curve slightly upwards and then cap it off. Then let's go ahead and frame her face. So I'm going to come back to the top of her eye and about right here, really close to her lashes. I'm going to give myself a point, and same thing here. And then we're going to basically draw the bottom of a U, and I'm going to come right here. I'm going to try and make her face a little bit pointier. So I'm going to come right here and here. I'll find my center. So let's say about, right here. Just give myself a point. And from there, I'm going to come about right here. I'm going to give her a little bit more of a jaw. And I'm going to bring it down to my point right there. So same thing here. And connect. From there, I'm going to bring this up a little bit more. We're just going to get a little bit wider as we go up to her brow area. And then we're going to come back to kind of like where her eyes are. And in this area, I'm going to draw her ears. So I'm just going to bring down a curve, and then right in this area I'm going to draw a circle for an earring, and then some details inside. So same thing on the other side. And about right here, I'm going to draw a circle for an earring and the details. There. Then from there we're going to draw her let's draw her head. So her hair is very, very cropped, right? So we're going to come up here and we're going to draw this big curve that goes up. So let's come right here, bring this up a little bit more. And notice it's at an angle, and then about right there, I'm going to start to curve it in. And let's see here, nice and high. So let's come back in here, sorry. Let's give her a hairline first. So I'm going to come back in here, about this area where her brow is. And here, and I'm just going to draw a wobbly curve all the way around. So I think it's maybe easier for me to start at the top. So I'm just going to imagine an oval for her face. So say about right here in the center. I'll give myself a point, and I'm just going to wobble little curves and wobble my way down. And same thing here, just to add some texture to her hair and bring it down. Then we can go ahead nicely in the center, and I'll just give myself another point. So, well, maybe it's easier if we go this way. Sorry. And we're just gonna wobble a little bit as well. So to say about right here. And we're just gonna go around and connect. So we're just trying to give her hair some texture. There, so hopefully I've captured her hairstyle here. Make this a little bit higher. Okay, so then from there, let's go ahead and we can finish her body. So I'm gonna come down right here in the center. We're gonna give her a little neck. And then we're gonna come out for her shoulders to about right here and then down. Same thing over here. Shoulders and then down. Then let's come back, give her a little neckline right there. And then we're gonna come back in this space and we're going to split it up. So let's draw 2 angle lines right here. This is for her jacket. Then we're going to come back right here where it bends. We're going to draw another line down. So this is going to be the beginning, the sides of her jacket. So we're just getting that in so we kind of know what we're working with. And let's bring this down more at an angle. So her jacket's kind of open a little bit. And then now that we have that in, let's come back in here and draw some details. So I'm going to come right here and bring in a curve for her collar. And then come back and we're going to draw a V into the center. This is for her sweater inside, or vest. Draw another curve. And then right in this space, we're going to put in her tie. There. So we have that detail in. So now we can go ahead and keep bringing this down. So we want to straighten out a little bit. And then we can keep bringing this in. And down. Then about right here, I'm going to start to curve straighter in. And then now let's come back and figure out where our waist area is. So let's say about right here. We're just going to give myself a line. And then another line right here. And one more. So this is the beginning of her skirt and the end of her vest. So just 3 little lines so we know where her waist is. And then from there we can go ahead and crop off her jacket. So let's bring this down to about right there and then I'm going to cut it off. So her jacket is not too long, this part. Her sleeves are actually longer. So right here and cut it off. Then from there, let's come back into this area and I'm going to come about right here, angle, and then angle in, come out, and then we're going to bring an angle all the way down. So same thing here. So about right here, in, angle, just like the other side, and in. From there, let's go ahead and draw her skirt. So we're going to come in a little bit right here and we're going to angle out on both sides. So let's bring this down. So take a look, see how long you want to make her skirt. And I'll say about right here, I'll stop. And we just want to bring it down to the same level on both sides. And then from there, we're just going to just wobble our way across to give our skirt some texture on both sides. There. Then we can go ahead and draw her legs. So I'm just going to have them straight down. So here and here. Just going to give myself points for the center and let's work on this side. So we're going to angle it down and here. So let's bring this down. To about right there. I'm going to cut it off That's the beginning of her shoe, and then we're just gonna pop this out a little bit and bring it down more. And then we're gonna flare it out. So come in this way a little bit more towards the center. And this side's a little bit straighter, very subtle, and then we're just going to connect it. So notice it's just more inwards over here. And let's do the same thing on this side. And about here. And cut it off. And bring down her shoes. So come in a little bit more towards the center. And this part is a little bit straighter. And connect. There. Then let's go ahead and draw some details. So I'm going to come back over here before I forget. Cut it off for her socks. And then her shoe detail. So come right here. I'm going to draw a sole in the top part of the shoe. And then just come in here and draw 2 lines. And maybe just 3 curves inside for some indication of laces, just to simplify everything. And same thing over here. There. So then from there we can go ahead and draw her sleeve. So we're just going to have her arms hang out just nice and straight to her sides. So we want her arms to end about right here. So let's use this jacket, and we're going to bring it down the size of the jacket for the size of her arms. And about right there, let's cut it off. Just make the drawing a little bit simpler, right? It's complicated enough. I should bring this out a little bit more. Okay, so then from there, we can just draw a little hand. We're just gonna come out with a thumb, go around for her fingers, and just angle it in. So same thing on this side. So just use this, and about right there, just like the other side, we're gonna cut it off. Then the hands. So once again, little thumb, go around for the fingers. There. And then let's see here, pretty much done except for some details on the jacket. Let's come back right about here. We're just going to draw a pocket shape rather than the emblem. And I'll put a little heart right here, just like I've done with all my other characters. And then, let's say a button here. And some pocket indication right here on both sides. And I'm not going to put too much detail. You can come in here and just draw some pleat lines if you like for more detail. But that is pretty much it for my drawing here of Bianca. And I really hope you love how she turned out. That helped you draw her fun and easy today from a character from Wednesday. Thanks so much for watching. If I helped you, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.